Hi all, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to look at both the pound versus the US dollar and also the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and both the British pound and the Canadian dollars both continuing to look weak through the end of 2015, and now the outlook into early 2016 for early January remains still negative for both the British pound and Canadian dollars. Starting off here with the cable spot FX rate, that's the pound versus the US dollar. We saw this weakness going into the end of the year, reinforcing this broader swinging downtrend that we've had in here that's been established really from back here in June of last year, but certainly more in earnest from August of last year, with this more significant downtrend, the market respecting these downtrend lines on any kind of rebound, and more recently going into the beginning of the year now, nudging at this next support level at 147.01. Despite this minor rebound effort that we've seen in here already on Monday, we certainly see bearish pressures very much intact, and we're looking for a retest of the cycle low from last year at 145.66, and then psychological 145.00 level going into the first half of January. Moving on to the Canadian dollar. US dollar, Canadian dollar hitting the 140 psychological and option target going into the holiday season, then a high level consolidation through the holiday season and strength coming back through in here today, aiming the market back at 140. But more importantly, if we go to the bigger picture chart, the monthly chart, the market's left behind this previous peak at 134.57 and this retracement level at 134.62, hitting psychological 140 and now aiming at this 140.30 level from May 2004 in here, aiming at that 140.30 level going into this week, with potential going into mid-January up to 141.90, maybe even to that level this week, and then overshoot threat up towards 146.60, this long-term retracement level as we go into this month. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist, on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.